Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I want to share with you all a powerful and effective method to boost your IQ and enhance your learning abilities. By mastering the art of learning, you can unlock your full potential and achieve greater success in all areas of your life. First and foremost, it is crucial to understand that intelligence is not fixed or set in stone. Your brain is a highly adaptable organ that can be trained and developed to improve cognitive functions such as memory, reasoning, and problem-solving skills. This means that with the right approach and consistent practice, you can significantly increase your IQ and enhance your learning capabilities. One of the key strategies for boosting your IQ is to engage in activities that challenge your brain and stimulate cognitive functions. This could include solving puzzles, playing strategy games, learning a new language, or mastering a musical instrument. By exposing your brain to new and complex tasks, you can create new neural pathways and strengthen existing connections, leading to improved cognitive performance. Another important aspect of mastering the art of learning is to adopt a growth mindset. This means believing that your intelligence and abilities can be developed through hard work, dedication, and perseverance. By cultivating a positive attitude towards learning and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, you can overcome setbacks and continuously improve your cognitive skills. Furthermore, it is essential to practice good study habits and techniques to enhance your learning efficiency. This includes setting specific goals, creating a structured study schedule, breaking down complex information into smaller chunks, and utilizing various memory techniques such as visualization, association, and repetition. By employing these strategies, you can optimize your learning process and retain information more effectively. In addition, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key to boosting your IQ and cognitive performance. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, sufficient sleep, and stress management are all crucial factors that contribute to overall brain health and function. By taking care of your body and mind, you can support optimal cognitive functioning and improve your ability to learn and retain new information.